Okay, so this is my microwave, and we're going to be trying the Zep Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleaner, and it says to spray and then turn the microwave on for about 1 to 2 minutes and then wipe down. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I took my turntable out because it says not to use where the food's going to come in contact with it. So I'm just going to use it on my microwave. This is thoroughly coat, so I'm trying to thoroughly coat it. Okay, now I'm going to close the microwave. And put it on for 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. I'm going to open it up, and we're going to look inside. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's like yellow looking water where I dropped the foam. And we're just going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to move this a little bit so I can get in there. Okay, so this is a detailed view of my microwave where I cleaned it. It looks pretty good. It does have a lemony smell, but it also has like like a little burnt smell to it. That's the inside of my microwave after using Zep.